Hey everyone, it's Claire, and today I have a special giveaway going on for the holidays. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all of your support. I cannot believe that we are actually over 19,000 subscribers now. That is just amazing to me, and all of you guys who support me and comment, it really does mean a lot to me, and I'm just so excited. So that's number one. So I did promise you guys a giveaway, so that is exactly what we're doing here today. So I went shopping for all the items at Target with my friend. She helped me look through everything and kind of decide what we thought you guys would like. So it was really fun. So let's go ahead and get started. So the giveaway is starting with these EOS lip balms. So these are in this adorable little package here, and you get 2 EOS balms, which will be perfect to put in your bag, or you could just do whatever you want. Like, I always need lip balm, and especially in the winter time. Like, my lips will get so chapped if I don't wear lip balm. I thought you guys would find this really useful. Next up is this little diffuser. So this is actually an essential oil diffuser that lights up, and you have like, let's see, 7 different colors that you can go through, and you also get a little orange essential oil bottle to come with it. This is going to be really good for you like any season. You can put this in your room, you can make it smell good. I also have a diffuser and I love it, especially in the evenings when I'm trying to calm down and get ready for bed. I will just turn it on and put some essential oils on and put some music or some meditation, and it really is just so calming. So this is going to be the second thing in your giveaway. And then next up is this Pro Highlight 15-piece professional highlight kit. So basically you just open it up here and it comes with all these different colors you have for highlighting and contouring, or even just for a nice natural makeup look. I'm sure this can help you just have a natural makeup look. It also comes with these 3 brushes here. So I thought that was really cool and professional, and just the box itself is like really pretty. So this is just a highlighting palette. You can add glow to your look, you can add like desired tones, etc. And it works for any skin tone. It's also cruelty-free, which is awesome. And then lastly is a pair of adorable little earrings here. They're dangly earrings. They have a nice butterfly on them, and I just thought that would be a cute addition to the giveaway as well. This is from Neo Glory, and it will come in a nice little box here for you. So this is just cute and charming. So those are the items in the holiday giveaway. I'm also going to be having a 20K giveaway when we get to 20,000 subscribers, and I know we're so close. So if you guys have any ideas of cool items that you'd like to add in the next giveaway, feel free to comment. So the rules for the giveaway are very simple. As always, number 1 is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that is just the basic, like, you have to be a subscriber to enter the giveaway. And then number 2 is to comment enter me, and then also just for fun, if you want to comment where you're from, that would be awesome, because I love to know where you guys are watching from. So that's gonna get you 1 entry, is just by subscribing and saying enter me, and then you'll go and follow my Instagram, and you'll just comment with your Instagram handle saying that you followed me on both, and that will give you another entry. I'm going to announce the giveaway at the end of December, and then I'm going to contact you however I can, either on YouTube or email or Instagram. If you need to, you can look in the description box for all the rules to the giveaway as well. And also, while you're here, please like this video if you enjoy it, because why not? And I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. I hope you enjoy the items, and good luck to everyone. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys!